Hi everyone, my name is Samar Forsley. I'm the CEO of Simutech Multimedia, and I'm very excited to share some of the lessons I learned by visiting Pack Expo last week. We actually had a trade show booth there, and we had an amazing time meeting fellow vendors as well as potential prospects and customers. So 3 trends I picked up at the show. First of all, the increased level of automation. As I walked around the show floor, I saw so many different vendors with new robotics, new ways of actually getting the assembly lines moving, and that was great learning for us to kind of observe that, but also see how the machines interacted with people as well. So that was great. The second topic that was prevalent at the show was the whole topic of workforce development and finding the right staff. And certainly at Simutech, we play a good part in that, and we can help teams develop the next generation of skilled labor to actually maintain these assembly lines. And last but not least, of course, is the number of different components that actually make up the assembly line, from the simple bolt to a complicated robot. All this has to come together seamlessly, and the amount of data integration required to make it all happen takes a lot of work, but also a lot of coordination. And so with that, we have a lot of exciting work here at Simutech based on those lessons that we learned, and we're going to incorporate those in our next modules, and we'll be able to roll out some of those in the coming years. Please visit our website as always to learn about our new projects, and stay in touch. Thank you.